Grace Mary Kharpuri from Nongsken stated she will leave the decision of selecting the opposition leader to the 11 opposition MDCs. After taking oath, Kharpuri affirmed the party's respect for the people's mandate and expressed readiness to play a constructive role in the opposition. She also expressed hope that the new executive committee led by VPP will ensure accountability and transparency in the council, wishing the VPP MDC success in their leadership over the next 5 years.
We can play a very important role in the opposition by bangin tray lang rekat-rekat ba KC kamtam ba mo accountability should be there and the transparency can done kita ikan kita bangin ingiso ba nakaliang ka jong ka opposition na banidon nantaro ngin la ba ngin pen klan chu ken ya ka council habaro kiliang.
Chief Minister Conrad